my entire life, because many things that we are not knowing what is inside us. So should realize that one, and we should use all our powers. That's the main thing that I have understood from today's class.
Good.
So,
Enough. Otherwise, somebody else should get. Introduce yourself. What is your name?
my name is Aishwarya. I'm in 10th B.
Good. You want to try again? Camera?
Come to here to say, sir teach us always be smarter and be first in all this.
Good.
Thank you.
Be very smart. If you can come and sit, you will be very slow generally. That's why you keep counting. Last person can fit. So you will become very fast. Right? Don't waste time. Good.
My name is Srilakshmi. I am from 10th B, and I am very interested in your class, sir. And also, you said method to study or learn, and you helped us to show the correct way for learning.
Got this.
My name is Asna. I am from 10th A.
Now, what is your name?
Asna.
See, you know your name. My name is Hasna. When you say Hasna, it should reach in everybody's ear. They should never forget. Hasna. Has.
My name is Hasna. I am from 10th A. From this class, I understood that whatever we do, we should do it 100%. So thank you, sir, for giving us such a good class.
But that was a repetition, not a new point. No problem. Doesn't matter.
My name is Lijila.
Huh?
Lijila.
What does it mean? Learn the meaning of your names minimum. Question should come. This is how the question should come. Repeat.
My name is Lisa. I'm in 10th A, and I understood in this class that when we have questions, only we will get the answers. So we have to get some questions from our
Don't get questions. Have questions.
have questions from our.
Good. You have heart?
Yes.
Then you will get. Good.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Roshna. I am from 10th B. From this class, I know what is important to wake up in early morning and how to study and the importance of being very smart and
Good. Being social is when she has to go inside, there is a space, others have to adjust and then give a space for her. That is social.
My name is Shilpa. I am from plus 2B. So today Sir had said that we are the youngsters in the society. So we want to be so bold and fun.
That's it. Did you get class today? Did you get class today? Yes. What class? Motivated now? Yes. How many of you feel you are the best, greatest person in the world? You are not? I am a poet. One of my English poem is Race for Birth. What is that?
Race for birth.
Millions of sperms from the father get into the mother's egg, and only one sperm take birth, and that's me. How many sperms did not get birth? Millions. Who are they? My unborn brothers and sisters. Right or not? ജനിക്കാതെ പോയ കോടാനുകോടി സഹോദരന്മാരുമായി മല്ലിട്ടിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ജനിക്കുന്നത്. ആരുമായിട്ടാണ് മത്സരിക്കുന്നത്? Our own brothers and sisters. How did we took birth? Raising our unborn brothers and sisters. Who is the winner? I am the winner. Raise your hands. Say well done. Are you not great?
Yes.
Do you have that spirit today?
Yes.
What do you want to be in your life? Dream the highest. What is the best position in India you can get? Do you aim to be so? Do you have such ambitions? What's your ambition? President of India. Are you into politics? Do you have a tradition of politics? Tell me one social activity which you have done in the life. Have you done anything good for anybody else in your life? Do you know how to cook at home? Do you know how to make sambar? Do you help your mother in cooking? Washing vessels? Really tell me, do you help at home? Do all of you must learn cooking at home. Right? You must help your mother, help your father. Your father and mother, how much marks they will give it to you as their son and daughter? Do they tell 100% good daughter, 100% good son? Do they say? Why? There is something bad in you, right? Don't you feel now you have to improve that little bit? Do you know how to get it? What is today's date? 10th June 2014. By 20th June 2014, will you be able to increase your marks? Not the class marks. At home, go and ask your parents, Father, how much mark you are going to give me? Write a column. 10th June 2014, mother gave out of 100. Think how much you will get? 20? 30? Get the marks. Mother, father, brother, neighbor, ask all of them. Now if you want to improve it, you know what is to be done, right? 20th June, check how much marks you will get. If you are not improved, you are not improving your life. Not just marks in the classrooms are enough. In life also you must get 100% mark. You will not get it now. You are sure, right? But do you know how to improve it? Are you doing something to improve it? Do that from now. So that all people around you will tell you are the best. Is it not good to hear that? You want some jokes at home? You want some jokes at home? Huh? Do you want some jokes at home?
Yes.
Ask your father how much mark you will give to mother. How much mark, how much good is your wife? Ask your mother how good is your husband. Tell them. Do you want to improve it? Do well. Everyone becomes good, your house becomes very good. Really you will enjoy. Are you enjoying at home? 100%? Enjoying in the schools? 100%? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ടോ ജീവിതം എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ മലയാളികൾ എങ്ങനെ പറയാറ്? ഇങ്ങനെ പോടും. ഞാൻ എന്താ ചോദിക്കാറുള്ളത് അറിയോ? ഇങ്ങനെ പോണ്ട, നിർത്തിക്കൂടെ പണി? Why are you going? ഇങ്ങനെ പോണ്ട വല്ല കാര്യം? എങ്ങനെ പോണം? Enjoy. How is your life? Enjoy. L-I-F-E. Life means live in full enjoyment. What is life?
Living in full enjoyment.
No. Not for you. For you, learn in full enjoyment. What's life?
Learn in full enjoyment.
If you just learn in full enjoyment, tomorrow will become enjoyment. Learning is an investment for future earning. That's life. What is life?
Learning is an investment for future earning.
So if you learn well today, tomorrow you will become rich. So, class is over. You want to continue?
Yes.
Ask me questions to know me. You can ask me anything. To know me also you can ask me questions. Who is that? Louder, yeah, be louder. Lift your hands so that I'll give you a chance. You asked question, lift your hands. Yeah, I'm from Kannur. Kannur, Taliparamba, Naduvil. I have an old house, 200-year-old house, where 20 people can sleep. I keep conducting camps for students. How many of you want to come to my house and stay with me for 1 week? Good. Next your study tour can be to my native. Okay? We will have drama, we will have dance, we will have tissue. We will learn everything. Cooking, cleaning, washing, everything you will. I had few students from Mala recently. 10th class passed students, all A+ students. I said you can come to my place. So 17 students came and stayed with the teacher. And I asked one of the student girl to dance. No, I never learned dance. But she was doing dancing only like this. I said, you learned to dance, yeah, that's why you are doing like this. Right? Then with them one teacher was there, an English teacher, who was my student long back. Being my student, you know what happened? Whatever I say they will do. He happened to be a teacher there, but my old student. I said, Krishna Kumar, dance. Have you seen your English teacher dancing in front of the student? I made Krishna Kumar dance. Krishna Kumar started dancing. That's why I changed my students. No inhibitions. Whatever I say, they will do it. I have my student who is manager in Infosys. Right? They come for learning for IAS. I have got few students who I am training for all India service, civil service, IAS, IPS officers. I'll tell them, go and prepare chat for me. Sir, IAS training. This is IAS training. Indian Adikla service. Go and prepare chart, then come. Somebody will come. Do you know how to make chapati? Don't. Come, I'll teach you how to make chapati. So I teach them cooking. Because you have to be fit for life. What do I teach? L-I-F-E, life. Okay? Next question. He asked the question. Next question. That's my place. And I have another house in Ilianakuda. And I have another house in Hyderabad. So I keep shuttling between all this. Tomorrow I'm in Hyderabad. Yeah. Any other question? Don't have any questions? No Brahma inside? When somebody comes to your house, don't you ask questions? I'm in your house now. Tell me. Teaching children like you. More than 6 lakh students I taught so far. How many? 3 lakh teachers are my students. Today morning I had teachers in an engineering college. Yesterday they were like you. No questions, they will not come. And today all of them were thrilled. I made them to run, fight, beaten many of them. But can you imagine beating teachers? What? And at the end when I came, all of them followed my feet. Don't you feel? That's what I do. Make people active in life. Nimisham jolitam sreyam yadu dhumayitum chiram. Nimisham jolitam sreyam. Live like a fire, not like a smoke. Do you want to live like a smoke or a fire? Fire. Are you fires? Yes. Not enough. Yes. Be like this all the time. Next question. Family. I have a wife, one wife. She is Dr. P.V. Radha Devi. She is a scientist, Department of Space. She is the one who modeled the moon. When we had ISRO moon mission, the picture came. From the 3-dimensional, where is the page, where are the hills, mountains, and moon, all that was identified by her. I have 2 sons, Hari Krishnan and Nidhu Krishnan. Hari Krishnan finished his PG in development studies, worked for an NGO for 1 year. Now he left his job. He is preparing for going for higher studies for international policies in King's College, London University. Second son, Nidhu Krishnan, is 4th year BTech. All are in Hyderabad. Yeah, next. Lift your hands, questions. Anything you can ask. I just me, Gus. 64. Tell me what's my age? 77. I'm 49. 1964 October 2nd. You will not forget. I will die 2053 November 30. I am a good astrologer. I predicted that I am going to die. Yeah, next. No, that's not my job. Everybody, fast. Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Shankaracharya, Lord Krishna, right? Lord Shiva. They were all my role models. Now my role model is a good Shashi Kumar, a better Shashi Kumar than me. I am not even 20% of what I wanted to be in my life. So there is a big Shashi Kumar in front of me, and I always look at him and say, when I will become like this. And once I become like this, my role model will become another bigger one. You understood? That's what is called development in life. Because I am a consolidated personality of all the readings what we have. Mokshakundam Vishwesharaya, wonderful person. So we learn many things from different people, put them together, and then believe that this is how we want to be. We can never be that personality, but we can be portion of such personalities in us, right? So I am a condensed version of many of these great personalities put into one. Now we have lot of people like Ishpal, Abdul Kalam, Narlikar, and my gurus are there. I learned Veda from somebody, I learned meditation from somebody else, I learned Jyotisham from somebody else, I learned Vastu from somebody else. Pick up all these informations, I wanted to be all of them. But then I'm a scientist, so I have to be in that field, I have to be in somewhere else. So we put all of them together and then make one. Okay? So when somebody looks at me from Vedic class, when I go to temples and give lectures, who am I? Adi Shankaracharya is in front of me and he is my guru. When I come to a classroom, I have got my teachers who inspired me like this once upon a time. I never had. Unfortunately, I never had a wonderful teacher like this. And you are all fortunate that at this age you are able to see one scientist. You are able to listen to such lectures. In our classrooms, we never had such personalities coming and giving lectures. It's not because I am great, I am saying you are all lucky. Right? Enne kandoro bhagyavanmar kanator mahabhagyavanmar. Ada kemudian kunjungi mas. Kullanai kirkanai jenicho dunniyan kunjungi. Enne kandoro bhagyavanmar kanator mahabhagyavanmar. Right? I used to change that and say enne ketoro bhagyavanmar kerkator mahabhagyavanmar. I'm a good boy. I keep changing. Yes, next. Questions. Don't get it!
Experience like this, how can you believe in astrology?
What do you know about scientists? Good.
It's not true for astrology.
Who says there is no proof? When do you eat? How is it digesting? Do you know how is it digesting? Huh? Do you know how the stomach works for digesting? Yes. Have you eaten before understanding or after understanding? Why did you eat? Do only if you have 100% knowledge about it. Only if you believe. Do you have God? Have you seen? Yes? See, life is like this. Without seeing, to predict somebody's personality, is there any magician in the world? No. Give me the horoscope, I will tell you how the person is. What disease they have. No investigation is needed. Hundreds, thousands I have done. Nothing went wrong so far. Okay? So my experiments are my proof, and that is my belief. I have belief in my own system of working. And this is one tradition which we had 10,000 of years in this world. Unless there is an extra equipment which comes to predict somebody's future, is there any equipment here in the world? Let that come, then we will take it. Leave this. Until then, we have to believe this. Fine? Yeah. Next.
Your hobbies?
Hobbies, learning and teaching, scolding, beating. Anybody else? ഇതെല്ലാം കഴിഞ്ഞ് വീട്ടിൽ പോയായിരിക്കും അയ്യോ ചോദിക്കായിരുന്നു കേട്ടോ. പിന്നെ പിടിച്ച കിട്ടില്ല കിട്ടോ? പോയ ബുദ്ധി പോയ സമയം പോയി. ലാസ്റ്റ് 2 questions ഉണ്ട്. ലാസ്റ്റ് രണ്ടാളുകൾ ആ പുറത്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഔട്ട്കാസ്റ്റ് ഓടിയോ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് രണ്ടാൾക്കും ഒരു പണിഷ്മെന്റ്. ഇത് പറ്റിയ വേഷമല്ല പണിഷ്മെന്റ്, അത് പറ്റിയ വേഷം. ആരാ നല്ല സ്ട്രോങ് ഉള്ളത്? Hold your fingers. What? Cross your legs. Cross your legs. Cross your. ഈ മുട്ട് നേരത്തെ മുട്ട. Very good. Wonderful. Do it. Right. Maharsh. Do right, beta. Hey. Now you know how to know your buddhi works better. No, why I am saying it? Your buddhi works better when you do this. 108 times do it every day. You will become highly intelligent. And if you don't do it, have you seen Ganesha? How is he? If you don't do this, you will become like smart. You want to be smart? When I say smart, she said. Okay, do it. Run. Who goes the first? Yeah, some people are good in running, going. Coming. You want to go home or continue up to 8 o'clock? I used to have classes 24 hours.
Yeah.
I went to one of the classrooms. Started 9:30 in the morning. Students said, "Sir, we don't want to go." I said, "Office, telephone and tell all the parents that we are not coming today." Then it continued the next day. In Iriyakuda, I had camps in my house. I have a house where 150 people. This bigger than this is my upstairs. The classroom. Classes continue. 48 hours. One day is over, next day is over. Nobody is sleeping. Will you be able to sleep in my classrooms? Huh? No. Do you want to go home? The speed is more while going or coming? Got it? What did I tell you in the beginning? I'll make the change in you work. ഇതിനകത്ത് കുറേ എക്യുപ്മെന്റ്. ഞാൻ ഏറ്റവും സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള എക്യുപ്മെന്റ് ഉപയോഗിക്കണം. വേണം? അതിൽ പറയട്ടെ. കട്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ കൊണ്ടുവന്ന കൈ ഇപ്പത്തിരിക്കാതെ അപ്പോഴേ അടി മുട്ടൂത്തി വെട്ടി ഇടക്കിടക്ക് Any questions? 3:30. To go? 4 o'clock. No questions? I got nothing. Yeah. What is all the things I manage? I don't manage. I do. Managing is, if you don't know cooking, you will say I managed cooking. Did I manage or did it? I do it because I am good. You have any doubt? Good. Which subject you want to learn from you? Have you seen atoms in your life? No. Have you learned chemistry? Yes. Talked about atoms? Yes. Do you want to see atom now? Yes. जलांतर गदे भानो यत् सुष्णुं दृश्यते रजः तस्य त्रिंशत्तमो भागः परमाणु इति स्मृतः. Paramanu, you know, right? What is Paramanu? Jalandhara Gade Bharo. Take a bucket of water. Put a torchlight. Jalandhara Gade Bharo. Meaning is very clear, right? Yat sushmam drishyate rajaha. What do you see is called rajaha. Have you seen small particles moving? Yes. In a dark room, the light comes, you have seen particles moving? Yes. That's called rajaha. What's it called? Rajaha. Tasya trimshattamo bhagaha. Divide that into 30 pieces. Yat sushmam drishyate rajaha. Tasya trimshattamo bhagaha. Paramanu iti smrtaha. You know the size of a rajaha now? You have seen it? Yes. So how many atoms you have seen together? 30 atoms. Now can you imagine cutting it into 30 pieces and then imagine the size of an atom? No? Then next line I will chant. Jnanina drishtigocharaha. Buddhi കാണാൻ പറ്റും. ഇപ്പോൾ കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടോ? So have you seen atoms? Yes. Who has shown you? You want physics in our rituals? We have a lot of chantings in the rituals, right? Yes. Sometimes it is physics, maths, chemistry, biology, everything you can see inside. Yojananam sahasre dveshade dveja yojane ekena nimishardhena kramamana namastude. Yojananam sahasre dveshade dveja yojane ekena nimishardhena kramamana namastude. Surya Namaskar. Take some water, pour it into water. Have you seen this? What is the chanting? Yojananam sahasre dveshade dveja yojane. 2202 yojana. Oh son, you are coming this many yojanas. One yojana is 12.11 kilometer. So 2202 multiplied by 12.11 kilometer you are coming. Who is coming? Sunlight is coming. What time? Ekena nimishardhena. Half of a nimisha. Distance and time is given. Any physicist will find out speed, velocity, right? Yes. If you compute this, you will get velocity of light. So what is our mantra's velocity of light definition? Heard of this? Do you feel proud of being in India? Yes. So much knowledge, but poor fellows who are singing this never know the meaning. They don't know physics, chemistry, maths. So wherever there is Indian spirituality, Indian traditional knowledge, Indian rituals added to science will become perfect. Now you know why do I believe that? Ekacham 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 trishashtam trishashtam panchajam panchajam saptajam saptajam navajam navajam ekacham ekacham. Have you heard this chanting? Rudram. These are all chanting when we call Rudra mantras. Ekacham 1, trishashtam 3, panchajam 5, saptajam 7, navajam 9, ekadasham 11, trayodasham. What is this progression? Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. 2 added n plus a, n plus 2a, where a is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. Arithmetic progression. Mantras, arithmetic progression. Some God doesn't like arithmetic progression. Next chapter, geometric progression. Ekam cha, dasham cha, shatam cha, sahasram cha, ayutam cha, niyutam cha, prayutam cha, vayutam cha, trayutam cha. Ekam 1, dasham 10, shatam 100, sahasram 1000. After that 10,000, right? Ayutam, prayutam, kayutam, vayutam, chayutam. It goes up to 10 power 57. In Western style, up to 1000, then 10,000, 100,000, 1,000 is 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1,000 million is 1 billion, then trillion. That's it. After that, they don't know what to call. So they will tell 10 billion, trillion, million, trillion, billion, trillion. But whereas India, we had names for up to 10 power 57. And every priest in the temple can chant this. Himalayam samarabhya yavat Hindusarovaram tam devanirmidam desham Hindustanam pratakshade. We belong to that nation where we had lot of knowledge. Calcutta, they make small saris which you can put it in a matchbox. Sari in matchbox. 3,000 rupees only. But don't worry, don't wear it. Everything will be seen. But somebody can make sari 5 meter which can be folded and put inside. Are we not great? Take physics, maths, metallurgy, economics, biotechnology, Indian Upanishads. Which subject is your liking subject? I'm sure some of you have physics, maths, chemistry, history. If you like maths, history you don't like. Tell me, is there a student who doesn't like history but maths? Lift your hands up. Yeah. Now I will teach you history through maths. You want that? Take a line, x-axis, 0, and this side is BC, this side is AD. Right or not? Yes. Now whatever happened, Shankaracharya's birth, hang him here. Where? AD, which year? Which is this Malayalam year? Wrong. Yeah. So 1189 years Shankaracharya lived, because Shankaracharya is the person who started Malayalam years. So hang him there. 189 years back. Now to 2014, you put 10th class you are living. That's your history book. And then 3200 BC. Put 3128. Lord Krishna died July 18. February this year he took birth. Put everybody in the, and this year AD 830 Islam. 1880. 18 which year? 18? When is Mahatma Gandhi came to India after NRI? Non-resident Indian. He was somewhere outside as a non-resident Indian. He came to India, right? Which year he came? 15. So put all that. So 100th year celebration is coming. 2015 we will celebrate 100 year NRI year. Which day he came? That is Pravasi Divas. So good, na? Learning history becomes mathematics for you. And Kunjuni must put it nicely. ABCD Lundoru Tattvam Kalatin Tattvam Edikullil Kudumikidakkumu BC Ennana Tattvam. Do you learn history? Very good, na? And you like physics? Yes. Sun, lot of planets around it, and then orbit it goes around. That is physics. Orbital mechanics is physics. Spinning, revolving around, all that speed which you will learn, that is physics. Take one planet from that, learn about it, that becomes geography. So geography is part of physics. If you love physics, you must love social science. Right? Stand on the, look around, you will see animals like this. Biology. Botany, zoology. So if you know geography, you know botany and zoology, right? Look, zoom, go inside, up to cell, zoology, biology, microbiology, zoom 10 power minus 9, nanotechnology. So big microscope, nanotechnology. Bigger microscope, you will see atom, chemistry. Take bigger microscope, go inside atom, nucleus, electrons going around it. Positive charge, negative charge, neutron, fission, fusion, physics. Where did you start? Physics. Where did you end? Physics. Where is maths? Everywhere maths. Without maths, nothing is. So why do I know and how do I know all these subjects? Because I am a mathematician. Right? Yada pindhe tada brahman. Upanishad mantra says Yada pindhe tada brahman. As the atom is, as the universe is. Spinning rate is same, speed is same, orbit is same, orbit is same. Is there any difference in knowledge? Where, when, what, how happened? History. Where? If you ask again, geography. How, why? Politics and civics. What do you produce? Where do you export and import? Commerce. Business. Which subject is difficult for you? Every subject is related, right? That's life. So what do you teach? Life. Everything about life, everything about knowledge. Don't say I love this, I don't love this. Then you are not a good student. Why do you say like that? Because some teachers are good, some teachers are not good. But are you good? Then you must know every subject. How can you learn better? Ask questions. And if you don't get answer anywhere, anytime, 944 74 3794 www.drtps-shiksha SHIKSH, not Malayalam Shiksha, Sanskrit Shiksha, right? www.drtps-shiksha, that's my website. How many of you use internet? Then write down, otherwise you will forget. www.drtps-shiksha.in, in for India, in for India. My email address drtpshashikumar@gmail.com. How many of you are on Facebook? Good. I am 4 hours on internet every day. Night up to 3 o'clock. No joke. Serious. Present open profile, active for accepting, because I have many profiles, all of them are full, 5,000 or more. So active one is DRTPS, Dr. TPS. What is TPS? DR for doctor. TPS is Talipudi Shishkumar. Temperature pressure second. Top police service. Thermal power station. DRTPS dot SHIKSH, Shiksha. There are nearly 64-65 blogs, BLOGS blogs. Go to my website, see blog, click there. You will see enjoy study exams. You can enjoy studies. Now you know how you are enjoying studies, right? If you are good, you can enjoy studies. You want to enjoy exams? Do you enjoy examination hall? That is the best place to enjoy. I write lot of examinations because I enjoy exam hall. I have an MSc, MPhil, PhD, LLB, MBA, MA Psychology, MS Psychology, and I have got an MA in Philosophy, half done, not full. I love exam halls. You know why? When teachers will call you, you will have to go. In exam hall, you can call the teachers, they will come. Teachers will come. Right now? Nice? Is there any place in the world where you get white paper free of cost? Only exam hall. Therefore, I will write. Once I reach there, I decide 400 pages exam. When teachers will give note, you have to read. Now you can write, make the teachers to read. Exam hall. And if you know everything, 3 hours, they will tell you answer only 5. Why only 5? All the 10 you write. Take it free from me. And if you don't know, that is the best place. Because you have nothing to write. Somebody else will be writing. Right? If you want to follow, you will become the best. But print it out and give it to your parents. 20 points to parents. To tell them how to punish these students. And 20 points to teachers. 30 points to students, 20 points to PTA. Parents and Teachers Association. They are always together. You are alone. Now you have to make what? TPS. Teachers, Parents, Students Association. Only PTA is there, right? What you should make? TPSA you should make. You want to make it? Be with your parents, be with your teachers, and you can do wonders. All of you can do well. But used less. Do you want to use you more? Yes. Clap. The class is over. Want to continue?